Welcome to Great Falls, Virginia, a quiet, upscale community just about 20 miles northwest of Washington, D.C. Known for its scenic beauty, winding roads, and the stunning Great Falls Park on the Potomac River. This area feels like the countryside, yet remains close to the capital's heartbeat. Today, we're taking a calm 4K walk through the Great Falls Village Centre, the true heart of the local community. Our walk begins right here, at the intersection of Georgetown, Pike, and Walker Road. Just across from us stands the Great Falls Volunteer Fire Station, a proud reminder that community care runs deep here. Since 1942, volunteers have dedicated their time and courage to keeping neighbors safe. Great Falls may be known for its beautiful homes and quiet roads, but its strength lies in its people who look out for one another. Next, we pass by the United States Postal Service. In a small town like this, it's more than just a post office. It's where neighbors meet, exchange smiles, and catch up on life. That's the charm of Great Falls. It's not just a location, it's a lifestyle. Ahead, we pass Truist Bank, one of several community banks serving local families and businesses. Great Falls is home to around 15,000 residents, spread across rolling hills, horse farms, and tree-lined neighborhoods. It's among the most affluent areas in Virginia, where wealth is expressed not through noise, but through space, privacy, and nature. Here, birds replace traffic, and peace replaces rush. Now we arrive at the Great Falls Village Centre, a charming collection of shops, cafes, and offices. It's not just the center of town, it's truly the heart of the Great Falls community. Throughout the year, this plaza hosts concerts, farmers markets, and local celebrations. Families gather here to enjoy simple, beautiful moments of everyday life. Today, the weather is classic Northern Virginia, mild, bright, and calm. Winters bring light snow, while summers are warm and green. It's the kind of day that makes walking feel effortless, each step surrounded by soft air and quiet beauty. As we stroll through the village center, you'll find inviting pubs, restaurants, and family-run businesses. There's a relaxed rhythm here. No rush, no noise, just friendly conversations and the scent of coffee drifting in the air. For residents, this is where weekends begin, with a slow breakfast and a smile. The layout of the village center is circular, designed to encourage walking, conversation, and connection. Flower beds line the paths, tall trees cast soft shade in summer, and benches invite visitors to slow down and enjoy the moment. It's both practical and beautiful, a space planned for daily convenience, yet rich with community emotion. At the center of the village center stands the Village Centre Pavilion, a wide open lawn surrounded by graceful walkways, brick buildings, and seasonal landscaping. The pavilion hosts concerts, farmers markets, art fairs, and outdoor movie nights. Families bring picnic blankets, kids run across the grass, and local bands fill the air with music under the open sky. Walking further, we pass Trustar Bank and Wells Fargo. Many Great Falls residents are professionals and entrepreneurs who enjoy the balance of peaceful living and quick access to Washington, D.C. In just 30 minutes, you can go from quiet trails to the capital's energy. That's the real luxury of living here. Nature and proximity side by side. Now we reach the Great Falls Shopping Center. Here you'll find Safeway, CVS, Bollywood Bistro, and RTR Pilates. is not just a shopping area. It's part of the rhythm of local life, where errands turn into friendly conversations. That's the beauty of Great Falls. It combines rural charm with suburban comfort. Just nearby is the Village Grill, a local favorite known for hearty meals and friendly faces. On warm evenings, you might hear live music, children laughing, and the sound of community filling the air. Moments like these remind you why Great Falls feels so special. Our final stop is the Great Falls Library, a peaceful retreat surrounded by green trees and open space. More than a place for books, it's where neighbors come together for stories, events, and connection. Standing here, you can sense what makes Great Falls so special. A perfect balance of nature, neighborhood, and nurture. From Georgetown Pike to the Village Centre and Library, this walk has revealed the heart of Great Falls, a town that offers open skies, calm mornings, and a community that feels like family. If you're searching for a place that's elegant yet grounded, Great Falls, Virginia might just be home. Thank you for joining this 4K walking tour. Remember to like, subscribe, and explore more peaceful walks around Virginia and beyond.